Here we have a garden tiller. It looks like this. Here it has a gasoline engine. These are the knives which break up the compact soil into finer pieces. So these metal components will be rotating forward and backward if needed. This wheel is just for transportation. You can pull it out and place it down, and when you lean it forward, then you can drive it on that wheel. When you work with it, you have to lift it up, of course. Let's see the engine. Briggs and Stratton engine. This is the gasoline compartment. Briggs and Stratton 950 series. It has a 208 cubic centimeter engine, 1/5 of a liter. You have to start it from this. This is the air filter. That's the exhaust on top. Smoke will come out here. Okay, it has a handle. The handle is adjustable, so when you are working with it, you have to lift up the handle from this and this. And when you are going to store it, then you put it down. This on the left side is the accelerator. On the front it's higher speed, on the back is lower speed, and if you pull it totally back, then it will stop the engine. So that's the gas pedal. So if I push this forward, notice that is moving forward and backward. Okay, the lower one is the choke, totally open, I guess, and totally closed. So somewhere in the middle it used to be okay. The next thing, these two. This is basically a clutch pedal. You have to push it in first and then push it down. That's for going forward. That is, this wheel will rotate forward. By the way, it has a 4-stroke engine and it has its own oil, so you don't mix the oil into the gasoline like on 2-stroke engines. So it's a 4-stroke gasoline engine. Okay, so this is for going forward. You have to push this in for safety. You have to push it down all the way, so don't leave it somewhere in the middle. The same thing, you have to push in this first, and that's for going backward. So going back and going forward. Back, forward. If you want to stop the vehicle, that is like pulling a handbrake on a car, you simply let over these, release it, and it stops. It will not go anywhere. To go forward, push down this. To go backward, push up that one. The next thing is this leg. That is very important, because when you want these knives to dig into the ground, then you have to place the entire weight on that one. Because if the weight is here on the front on these knives, then it will go forward on the soil. So you have to place the weight on that one to lift up the knives a little bit, and then as a little bit of gap is created in the ground, then everything will go a little bit lower, so it's deepening its own hole under it. If you want the machine to get out from that hole, then you have to tilt the entire machine a little bit forward, and thus it will start removing the earth which is in front of it. Okay, enough talking, let's start it. So I will pull this a little bit forward so that that thing is not totally on the right side, but somewhere in the middle, like so, and simply pull this. That's the smoke, the exhaust. Higher speed, lower speed. We'll go backward, let's see. See, as I pull it up, it comes back. As soon as I release it, it stops. The same thing in the other direction. Okay, and pull it all the way back, and the engine is stopped. And that's it. MH5065R. Some more details. You can attach one more knife to the left and to the right side also. You can remove these somehow. And that is also removable. One is outside, one is curved inside. This is just for protection, not to hit something from the side. I'm not sure what's that. The oil, by the way, is here. That's the dipstick, and oil is somewhere inside. Yes, it's a little bit visible. It's there. So that's the oil of the engine. There is some oil in this compartment also for the power transfer from the engine to this thing, distribution. It has one piston, just one portion. It's hot. It was used a little bit. Overhead valve, OHV. One piston, single cylinder engine. That's the gas tank. It has a filter. There's still some gasoline in it. That is the hottest portion. That's why there is a mesh on it, so it will not burn you. That's the exhaust, the muffler. So this is loosening the hard compacted soil, and it turns it into a fine dust, and it's easily maneuverable. As you can see, you can pull it everywhere you want because it's loose and soft. You can push it even if the engine is not started. Let's see, can I do it with one hand? I have to push it with my leg. So it's rotating its own knives and it's working on those. The ground is soft here.